So if you have 2 offices, you should probably have 2 Google business profiles. So if I have an office in Boca and then I have an office in Sebring, I should have an office in Sebring and I should have an office in Boca. So you should have 2. If you have 1 office, then obviously you can't, because you need to, if you're going to put an address, you got to have an office. So one of the members in Craig Proctor got in trouble because in California, basically you can write your name in dirt and that's your office. Like, they don't have a rule for the sign in California. Well, Google's like, that sign is made of cardboard, because they saw a picture of it. That will not last if it rains. So that's not a real office. And they literally shut him down for months. And so, like, Google's like, I don't care what California says, that's not a real sign. And they literally took him months to get it figured out. So he went, I think he just paid something, $100 and got a real sign. So to do it.